My name is Frank Mancina, Account Executive for MRA Mobile Experiential, and today we're at Spirit Plaza in downtown Detroit with the Road to Change Tour.
One of the things that we're very fortunate to be able to do in our work is help people when they're experiencing new and different ideas and help them work through and lead through change. We've had an awesome opportunity working with MRA to create a mobile environment for them to do it. And today with the City of Detroit, we've been able to sit here in Spirit Plaza, and a world of thanks to the folks at the city to look at this and say, wow, can we take some of these exciting things, these ideas that help people think differently about change, an environment that is totally different and unique, and bring it right down here into the heart of Detroit.
Hello, I'm Iris Ware, Chief Learning Officer for the City of Detroit. I'm really excited about Root being here today because it provides a unique experience for our employees and then for our partners downtown. I think it's important that we collaborate and bring talent together when we talk about talent development, not just our employee base, but the people that they touch in the community and all the change and transformation that you see here in our plaza. I'm excited because Root focuses on change and it focuses on strategy. Change is organic, that it happens naturally, but if you're looking for transformation, you really have to focus on what you want to do and have a strategy to achieve it.
It does a couple of things. One, it gives people who otherwise might not have a chance to experience this a chance to literally walk out their door and come and experience it, a different way of thinking. Two, it gives them exposure to content and ideas and tools that can help them in their day-to-day work. So we're extremely appreciative of the partnerships that not only led to creation of this environment, but being able to bring it and host it here in the City of Detroit is just absolutely wonderful, and we're grateful for it.